Well, I am driving the new car. And yes, I have to shift gears actually. With a gated manual. I will admit, I've stalled the car probably a couple times. Wish this thing was a little bit faster, but I'm glad I didn't make it too fast. I've already can barely... I kind of like it original. We are just bouncing everywhere. We are bouncing all over the road. I feel like I'm in a mafia game at this rate. The way the fact that I'm trying out the new Italy map in the parking game. Oh no. God. Downshift! Come on! No! No! That wasn't good shifting. Come on, quit. This car does bounce around, I will say that much. Don't stall on the hill. No! I will say this car does keep you on its toes. I think once I get to used to shifting like this, I think I'll be able to get used to it. But right now, it's been mostly me just revving it to the moon. There is a new house that I believe it's coming soon, and we're gonna look at. But again, it gives me the vibe of the Mafia series mostly, especially the old country one. But yeah, obviously there's like even an old car there. But we'll check out the car. And yes, I got the clothes on. Okay, come on. I know I'm late to the party with this, but I did do some things to it. I got the little things on there. I'm going to plan on doing the double spare tires. Sorry for it being a little dirty. Can I open the door? Interior's not pretty good modeling done, but I noticed there's no gauges. Which I can't figure out why. Why they didn't do any gauges in this. And trunk space, well, pretty good. But yeah, this is most of the showcase. But here's what I don't understand: why we couldn't have this as well? Why can I not mess with this thing just for the heck of it? Can I go in the scratch? Just something tells me that if this does come actually like a house to buy, I'd buy this house. But get in the car. I can even do this. You can tell this brings a smile to my face. I hope you enjoyed this episode of me messing with the new car. But like, comment, share, and subscribe. Notification bell. We'll see you all in the next one.